My name is Elise, and today we're going to be drawing an American flag. Let's get started. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. First, let's draw the pole that the flag is on. So let's draw a teardrop shape in this side of our paper near the top. And now we're going to start in the middle. We're going to go out on both sides just like that. And then we're going to go straight down just like this. Now add a couple lines near the top. And then let's add a line right here just like that. Now we're going to draw the flag. So first, let's draw the bottom of the flag. So this is going to be one side and it's going to be connected to this pole. So let's just draw this line connecting these two parts. And now we're going to draw a curved line going up and another curved line going up from both sides. Now connect these in together just like that. Now from here we're going to go down and up. So kind of like an S line. We're going to start right here and we're just going to go up in that same spot just like this. We're going to curve over and come down, connecting in right here. We're going to do this again. So we're going to go down and then we're going to go up just like that. And we're just going to go up from right here. Now, curving in, we're going to connect these lines together. Just like that. So now we're going to draw the stripes. So the first stripe is going to start here in the middle, and this is going to be our section where the stars are. So down here we have 6 stripes. So there's 1 stripe, 2 stripes, 3 stripes, 4 stripes, 5 and 6. Now we're going to do that again, and now we have 13, and we don't have to join them up with this because it's a wavy line. So now we have all of those stripes. And now we can do one more set of 13 stripes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. So now we're going to draw the stars. So draw 5 points, just like that. So we're going to try to draw 50 stars, but if you can't, that's okay. You can just draw as many as you can. So now we're going to draw 1 triangle without the bottom, a 2nd triangle, a 3rd triangle, a 4th triangle, and a 5th triangle, all coming together as 1 star. If you want to, you can also draw a star like you would on a piece of paper like that, but you don't have to. Now I made 50 stars on my flag, and now it's time to color. For my coloring, I'm going to be using these patriotic art markers, which are similar to Sioux color art markers, and you can get them in the links down below, or you can get the Sioux color art markers. So I have a gray, a dark blue, a cream color, and a red, and I'm going to start coloring. So now we're done with our American flag drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed creating more. See you next time. Bye!